Welcome to Gamer Maya Homeschool. Fun-filled games and activities for homeschoolers.
Hi guys, it's me again, Maya, and today we are going to make fortune cookies. Did you know fortune cookies is a traditional cookies represented in China, and fortune cookies give other people good luck and lessons. So these are the ingredients you need. First, you need 1 large egg white, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1/8 teaspoon vanilla extract, pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon melted butter, and of course 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour plus more if needed. Let's start mixing. When the butter is okay, you can start putting it on the tray. First, you get this scoop. Get something like this. This scoop will do. Just a little bit. Something like this. Put it on the tray. If you cannot get it onto this tray, use a spatula. Cookies. It needs more improvement because it was just our first try. Let's break it out and see what's inside. Oh. Skill comes from diligence. Diligence. It tastes good. It kind of tastes like crunchy puka. Break the other one. You will be hungry again. 10 minutes.